Hey, Dilip. Good morning. Going somewhere?
Hey, good morning, Kishore. Yes. I have some work with a contractor.
Regarding that house you bought?
Yes, it needs some repair and mending. Common issues with tenants. I think I will have to spend 10 to 15k on repairs.
Oh, that's inconvenient.
You tell me, how is your investment in balanced fund and SWP going?
Dilip, my investment in balanced funds is safe and increasing.
I am getting my income from
SWP timely every month. No tension of repairs or rentals. See you, Dilip. Balanced fund. No maintenance, no repair. No problem with tenants. Get monthly income with SWP option in balanced fund, tension free.